This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. Morning, guys. It is November 23rd, the day after Thanksgiving. This one here, I got a call for water leaking from the toilet, shut off, and kind of staying the ceiling down below, so shut the water off at the toilet. And, we'll go over there and see what's going on. I think it said something about the sink's got a slow drain too, so gotta take some pictures of that, so the insurance company don't say it was me that did it, type of thing. Something like that. It's always good to take pictures, cover your butt. I left the dog at home because it's just so cold. It's probably 15 degrees out. I had the truck running for a while, about an hour this morning, but it's warm in here, but she really can't take the cold weather, so I'll pick her up later on. I gotta do some more jobs around my town there. I'll pick her up. I'm going into New Bedford, so I don't like to leave my truck running inside the city, so I'll leave her home for now. I gotta think about the dog too. I mean, if it's really, really cold out, she can't take the cold. She's better off staying at home. She's still a puppy. So bear with me with the dog. I gotta do what's in the best interest of her too, We'll try to get you some shots. So that's where I just gotta make sure that I don't get blamed for it, So you got some there. Now, where's the toilet? Here?
Yeah, right upstairs.
So the toilet's here, and you got it ain't too bad.
No?
Well, not really, compared to some I've seen.
Colder today than yesterday, huh?
Oh, I had to leave the dog home. So you said it was definitely leaking from the shut-off.
I'm pretty sure. I mean, I don't know. I don't know the damage underneath the toilet. There could be damage, I don't know. Obviously, I didn't. But I do know that this over here.
You put your hand here and it was dripping here.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I don't see any water leaking out of the bowl. I turned it on, it didn't fill.
I shut the water off.
Yeah, but I just turned it on and it didn't fill up, so I don't think the bowl's leaking. Because I just turned the valve on and it didn't fill, so it was already full.
The toilet?
Yeah.
Well, I haven't used it.
What I'm saying is, if the toilet was leaking, when I just turned the valve back on, it would have leaked out, it would have refilled itself, right? That's not the case, so. Alright, so maybe it's just that shutoff that's leaking. Could be the packing nut. So you said after a couple of minutes it starts dripping?
Yep. Slow. Enough to cause damage, though.
And you said definitely was coming from this area. Oh, no, it's coming from up top. I just seen it drip. It's dripping from up top, yeah. It's dripping from up top there. So we're going to put a new supply in.
Okay.
Yeah, either that or not up top, but too sure.
I think the cooler
water. Oh, yeah, that's loose. That's loose. I just tightened it by hand. It's flipping loose. As long as we fix the problem, I mean, that's the main concern, right? Get the problem fixed.
You got enough light?
Yeah, I got light. I seen the light.
Yeah.
Yeah, the thing was loose. I tightened it by hand. I mean, that was pretty bad. Make sure it doesn't leak before we go. Yeah, I had to leave the dog home today. I mean, it was so cold in the truck.
Absolutely.
Even though I ran the truck for an hour this morning, I mean, it's still kind of cold. She's only a midget. Yeah, definitely.
Where was the leak?
It was coming from up on top on the nut on the supply, and it was running down.
Oh, it seemed like it was coming.
It was running down, and then obviously it follows the pipe, and it was dripping on the floor. So we tightened it, and we'll make sure it's good. We'll give it a little bit, and maybe I'll do is I'll fix the drain, and then I'll come back and check on this, make sure that it's not leaking.
God. So it's nothing under the toilet.
Well, we haven't got that far yet. I don't see any more. What we'll do is we'll take this we'll put some toilet paper down there. If it does drip, you'll see it really good, But if you get a little bit of water on a dry toilet paper,
yeah,
it'll show right up. I think that's going to take care of the problem, because that's not regular chrome. That's that nickel, chrome nickel.
Uh-huh. What is the difference?
More money. It's kind of that fancy stuff when they did the bathroom.
Yeah.
It looks like it's polished chrome or something. Maybe I'm wrong. Yeah, see, you got the same thing.
Yeah. It's not really that much more money.
No, but it is. It's not. It's kind of like the brush chrome.
Right. Brush nickel.
Brush nickel. Yeah. All right. I think we'll give that a minute. You gotta be an investigator sometimes.
Yeah, of course.
Everything's so cold. I mean, 10 degrees out.
What'd you use to tighten that with?
Pump pliers. Water pump pliers.
Because I was going to ask before you leave, make sure the downstairs one's tight too.
Yeah, we'll check it. If it was me, I wouldn't do anything with the ceiling, right?
Oh, I'm not.
Let it dry, and you could use that Kills.
Right. I'm not going to rush into that.
You could do the Kills and then repaint it, and you wouldn't have to rip it down. I mean, it's not falling down. That's what I would do. Because the Kills will seal it all.
Yep.
You know what I mean by the Kills? It seals it,
yeah.
and then once you paint it, it'll be fine. If you just paint it, it could leak through the paint. But if you seal it with that Kills first, then when you paint it, it's not going to bleed through, and you'll never even know it was a problem. I mean, it's not bad down there. This is what I used right here to tighten it with.
Good. I'm more concerned right now about the floor than I am the ceiling.
Oh, the crack.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it was right in the trap where it was. Fine.
You have problems while you're taking pictures?
Just in case, what happens if the insurance company comes after me for that flood downstairs?
Oh.
Huh?
Well, I'm saying, did you have prior problems?
I have, yes.
Okay.
Just to be safe. I know when I'm leaving here, everything's fine. No issues, right?
Right.